6, which is part of term 1 topics. The only KPIs will be included from this topic are just few. First of all, you need to understand the idea of electric current, what does it mean and how it can be described. As we have studied before, electric current shows the flow of charges per or a specific time. How electric current can be calculated? It's the rate of flowing of charges per unit time. So I relies on charges that flows in specific time, and we know electric current has a measuring unit of amps or A. Q measured by coulombs, time measured by second. Describe analog and digital. One of them refers to measuring readings by pointer, the other one with numbers. Differentiate between electric current and direct current and alternating current. Direct one, it flows in one direction, alternating in both directions. And finally, V is a measuring unit for either EMF, which is electromotive force, or potential difference, which is similar to voltage. Finally, talking about Ohm's law, this law can be represented by either R is equal to V over I, or can be written as V I times R. It can be used to calculate either R, V, or I. R shows resistance, measuring unit is ohms. V, voltage, potential difference, or EMF that can be described by volts. I, current. Starting, as we know, you don't need to memorize formula. All formula will be provided, as well as description of each specific sample. Starting with this part, which of these is an electric current? We know electric current can be described as flowing of charges, but since we don't have this word here, so the best description is a beam of electrons. The diagram shows the circuit. The reading on a meter is 12 amps. A meter is a measuring device, can be used to measure electric current. How much charge passes through a meter in 20 minutes? So obviously time has to be converted from minutes to seconds. This is easy, just multiply times 60. So we need to find charge. Mainly our formula is I Q over T. This is division, multiplication to find, to calculate charges. So I times T, I is 12, T 2, times 60, it gives 1440 coulombs. A digital watch is powered by 1.3 volt cell. The cell supplies current of this is electric current, and 1.6, this is time taken. Calculate the charge that passes through the cell. Again, we need to calculate Q. Q, I times T. I 4.1 times 10 to power of negative 5 times our T with seconds, so you don't need to convert anything, straightforward, and answer has to be with coulomb. And done. Next